Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. We recently came across the Cricut Value Iron-On in Black, a heat transfer vinyl that has caught our attention for its quality and affordability. We've added a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Cricut Value Iron-On is a heat transfer vinyl designed for creating custom designs on fabric. This specific roll measures 12 inches by 5 feet, giving you plenty of material to work with for all your creative projects. Whether you're looking to personalize clothing, create unique home decor, or add a special touch to gifts, this heat transfer vinyl is a versatile choice that can help bring your ideas to life. One of the standout features of the Cricut Value Iron-On is its quality. It brings all the benefits of the everyday iron-on line but does so with less packaging material, making it a more eco-friendly option. This means you get the same great product but at a better value. It's also designed specifically for Cricut cutting machines and heat presses, ensuring optimal performance and results every time you use it. Durability is another impressive aspect of this vinyl. Once applied, it can withstand up to 25 washes without losing its vibrant color or integrity, so you can create items that last. This long-lasting quality is vital if you're making items for yourself or for sale, as it ensures your designs will stand the test of time. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a crafter, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to personalize items, then the Cricut Value Iron-On is ideal for you. It's particularly great for beginners, as it's easy to use and comes with a clear, heat-resistant backer that simplifies the pressing process. Even if you're not an expert, you'll find that applying this vinyl is straightforward and manageable. In terms of practical use cases, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to create custom t-shirts for family gatherings, personalized gifts for friends, or even unique designs for home decor items like throw pillows and wall art. It's perfect for creating matching outfits for special events, or even for your kids' school projects. Imagine making a custom tote bag for a beach day or a personalized apron for a cooking enthusiast. This vinyl can help you accomplish all that and more. The Cricut Value Iron-On also works great for seasonal projects. Think about making festive apparel for holidays or special occasions, or designing unique items to celebrate milestones. With this heat transfer vinyl, your creativity can shine through in every project you undertake. In conclusion, the Cricut Value Iron-On in Black is a fantastic option for anyone looking to personalize fabric items with ease and durability. With its quality, affordability, and versatility, it's a must-have for crafters and DIYers alike. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and start personalizing your items, this heat transfer vinyl is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.